So this is part of a tutorial series because I know getting used to a Mac can be kind of difficult because it really is nothing like a Windows computer. So there's a few things that you should probably learn as soon as you can, just to get used to how things are done. I'm going to start with the trackpad. First we'll go down to preferences. It's always this little gear looking thing. You should always keep it on your dock so you don't have to go searching for it. So just click that. And there's a lot of stuff here. I mean, a lot of it's self-explanatory. I mean, I'm sure you could figure out how to change your desktop picture. Energy savings, you know, this has a lot to do with what your computer does when it's either plugged in or in a battery. You can play around with that. That's not really something I think you need to learn. Biggest thing right now is going to be the trackpad. Trackpad is nothing like a normal trackpad on a Windows computer. It's pretty much really advanced. So what I want you to look at is, we'll first go to the point and click area. Don't worry about this lookup and data detectors. You don't need to worry about that one. But this one's really important, the secondary click. When you hold over it, it'll sort of show you a little video on how it's meant to be used. Secondary click is going to be like the right click button on a mouse. A normal Mac does not have a right button. It never has. You know, you could buy a mouse and hook it up to your computer if you want, like a USB mouse. But if you just want to use the trackpad, then you would need to incorporate a right click because a lot of things use it. So make sure that this is clicked, and you can choose what your right click is going to be. So right now I have to click in the bottom right corner. So basically that means that when I want to right click something, I will just click over here like this chick is doing right now. You don't have to use that one if it's not comfortable. You could use one of 3 of these. Tap with 2 fingers, or click in the bottom left. I like to use the bottom right because it just kind of makes sense, and you'll see how that works. Like, I'll right click the desktop right now. So I right click the desktop, I can change my background, I clean it up, new folder. But if I were to just click over to the right, see, nothing is happening. So that's really important because you'll find yourself kind of trying to do a right click and not knowing how. But now that you know, just go ahead and set it up whatever feels comfortable to you.